Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Let me just give you guys an update with what is going to be happening in 2025. Last year a lot of people were doubting our strategies and the way we're working, but we came with hardcore evidence, and to prove that, this year I'm going to be taking in 10 people whom I'm going to be mentoring this year, and we are going to bring back results. I mean extreme results. We're going to be trading a lot of things this year, and the strategies that I'll be bringing are really going to be mind-blowing. So guys, just make sure you subscribe to this channel, you keep in touch, and there is a link on my video description. Just go there on the Telegram channel. It's just a free signal group. This year is going to be working extremely. I stopped sharing signals last year because a lot of people were just talking their things, so I just wanted to show you the results of what we are doing. So what we are doing is real, what we are doing is really positive. So guys, remember, this is the last strategy I shared with you last year. I said when we are using the alligator and the RSI, so we just said we come up here, and then on the relative strength index we're going to be using period 1, apply to close 1 pixel, and for the levels we're just going to use 90, 10, 80, 20, 50, and the style make it black. And I said make sure that you use that black button if you want to add on the levels. So, and then you're going to click save, and then for the alligator you're going to just use set to default down there. So you're just going to set to default and you'll be good to go, and you're going to click save. So this is the last strategy I shared with you in 2024. So I'm just doing a recap right now, and then we say to wait for price to come and hit the 10 line level like this, and then we're going to wait for price to come above the 20 line level, and then we said when price gets to the 20 line level we're just going to wait for the alligator to be open like this. When we see the alligator is open, we mean that the lines are clearly separating like that. So that is how the alligator opens up. So if the alligator is open, you're going to place your buy entry over there, and when the price gets to the 50 line level you are going to enter your second batch of buy entries. Now somebody is saying, why if I'm going to enter at that point, and then what if now price is going down like it did here before, it could go up again? And then I'm going to tell you this, you're just going to come up here on the chart and you check on something. So if you really see what price does, so you can see that price came down here and it came down again before it took a major take off, right? And you can see that it also came down over here before it could take off again, and it came down to retest before it could take off again. So now that is going to give you confidence on this side that okay, if I am going to place my buy entry at this point and price decides to go down, I know price is going to be going up again. So this is just a small retest. Advice to you is this, so I would love you to place your second batch over there, and when price comes again to the 50 line level for the second time, place another one. So basically right now we will be having one entry here, so 2 entries here, and another 2 entries over there. It means we've got 5 running trades just on one analytics over here. Just imagine how much money you're going to be making. And I told you that we have to make sure that if we're on the 5-minute time frame like we are over here, we have to use a bigger lot size, because we are just scalping for simple but big profits at this point. So guys, this strategy really brought a lot of profits for us last year. And then I said when price gets to the 90 line level like here, we're going to wait for price to come back on the 80 line level and make sure that price opens up. So the alligator is going to open up going down like it did over here. So you can just check down there. If you just zoom in a little bit, you're going to see that now price has just opened up on the alligator. So that is how it's going to give you confidence that price is going to be going down. What all we have to wait for is that you have to wait for price to get to the 50 line level, and then we're going to enter our second batch of entries. So guys, make sure that if you get a new strategy, some people will just say no, I'll stick to my strategy. Listen, you don't even have to use your money. You can just backtest this strategy on the pairs that you are trading, because some people they only focus on pair. So others are just trading gold, others are just doing USD JPY. Just make sure that the strategy works for your pairs. Backtest it, check. You don't need to be placing entries. Backtest this one, you can just see that what happened over here just a few minutes ago. You can see that price came to touch the 90 line level. Price is open on the alligator at the 80 line level. We place our first batch and then wait for price to get to the 50 line level. We enter our second batch and we are ready to move again. Price is going down and we are in high profits. Price is open on the 20 line level. Alligator is open over there and waiting for price to get to the 50 line level, entering our second batch. And remember, I said on the second batch, it's just the second batch, but we're entering 2 more trades on that one, and we're now waiting for price to be going up. We're going to be shutting things off like it did just at that point. So we shut everything off and wait for price again to come to the 90 line level. Guys, this was supposed to bring us a lot of profits. In to those who've been doubting, we've got results, my friends. We have hardcore results on what we were doing last year. You can just check again. Price coming to hit the 90 line level. Price on the alligator is open on the 80. We place our first batch and price enter 2 more trades down there, and we wait for price just to come down on the 20 line level. That is where we can shut everything down, and then waiting for price to get to the 10 line level again, whereby you can start afresh. So as I'm telling you, you just have to make sure you back test the strategy and see if it doesn't work. There is a lot of strategies to choose from, and remember, I said the way we do this thing is to make sure that you keep on practicing, make sure that you keep on learning on your strategy, master it, and you are going to be doing good in the market. You can see over here price getting to the 90 line level. So you can see price getting to the 90 line level, price below the 80 line level. We enter our first trade there, and price getting to the 50 line level. Remember what I spoke about last time. I said you can see that we had placed our second batch at this point, and price decided to just to go up a little bit. You can see over there. So what we are going to do, I said we enter even a second batch again here on the 50 line level when price gets to the 50 line level again. So we enter another second batch over there. Now we are going to be having 5 running trades on this one. So that one is just a master one. You are going to be really profitable using that one. Guys, 2025 is our year. We're going to be making extreme profits this year. I'm telling you, just make sure 100 people on the private mentorship. The group is going to be open very soon. I'll give you an update so when we can start, and we're going to be doing serious stuff. So if you're a beginner or you'd love to work on the strategies that I usually give you guys, make sure you keep in touch. See you guys soon.